Hello and welcome, Fars here. In this video I'm gonna show you how to build an amazing agency website in less than 2 hours. We're gonna be using Lovable, ChatGPT, and I'm gonna build it together with you. So my goal is to show you how fast you can do it so that you can actually focus on appointment bookings, making sales, and growing your agency. I'm an agency for 10 years. I teach and coach agency owners, and I see so many get stuck in the website creation, logo creation, and this stuff that's really not important. So I just want to teach you how to do it quickly so that you can focus on the real stuff as soon as possible. So let's take a look here. Basically, I decided to start a new brand, a new agency, and to scale it as fast as possible. And I'm gonna be showing you in my next videos how I'm doing it. So first of all, I wanted to create a really nice website, and this agency will be focused on B2B outbound and installing cold email and LinkedIn personalization for B2B companies. I called it EA Solutions. And then here we have the website preview, and let's take a look. Like, this is a super beautiful website, if you ask me, with really nice copy. We're gonna take a look in a second. These testimonials are real, that's the only thing that I used, but if you're just starting out, you can go without testimonials, still get a really good website. So usually someone would charge you for this thousands of dollars, but I made it like with one prompt, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. But let's take a look at the copy. Like, AI sales outreach that delivers 8 to 10 qualified appointments per week, guaranteed. So immediately it's clear. A fully done for you, hyper personalized outbound system that lands ready to close sales calls without hiring a single SDR. Super powerful. I'm gonna record a nice VSL here, and I'm gonna show with you guys how I done this. Then some trust factors, how it works, 1, 2, 3, consistent, predictable growth, bam. Like, it's super easy to go through the website. It's a nice modern AI design. And then we are not volume shop, we do deep, not wide. And then explaining like 3 new clients per month, ready to transform. And these testimonials are real. This one. So if you don't have testimonials, you will just kick out them, and that's completely fine. And then trusted across industries. Still, if you don't have this, you can kick it out, but still I have it, I can use it. And this is the website. It's really beautiful, and it has all the functionality. So I created it in Lovable. Gonna guide you step by step how I did it. But when you click here, it will open up a pop-up, and in here I embedded Calendly. I mean, this is GoHighLevel, but you can embed Calendly, cal.com, or whatever. And then you will get a nice funnel. Like, you can then publish this on your hosting, or you can keep it on Lovable. I bought this new domain, I connected it, so like in 2 hours it was done. So let's go to the process and let me show you how I did it. First of all, you need access to lovable.dev. Just Google Lovable. It's basically a tool that from a prompt you get a really nice website. You can get really deep into like creating complicated apps with backend systems, but for now I'm gonna just go by using it for the website. As an agency owner, business owner, that you get rid of that task and that you can focus on the most important tasks. And you need ChatGPT. Okay, so I assume you have already maybe your brand or something, and I'm gonna show you like even the shortest part possible, with like giving a detailed prompt and then building out the website. And let's assume you are an AI lead generation agency running paid ads and doing like AI calling with AI agents, warming them up and booking the appointments. And let's assume you are working for roofing companies and you guarantee them something. So I would assume that you already have an amazing offer and stuff like that, because that's crucial. But let's go to ChatGPT, give it a prompt. I usually like to give the prompts like just by dictating. Another great way would be that you already found a good website, and then you can take a screenshot with this kind of tool, like this is an extension, go full page, and then you can feed it to ChatGPT. But let's go with the simple version. You just click here, dictate. Hi, I want to create an amazing landing page for my newly agency that's called Rooftops Agency, and we are working with roofing clients, and we are installing a unique paid ad system, building the funnel where we generate the leads, and then we have AI agents calling all the leads and then booking them as appointments. So the big goal and the big benefit to the roofing client is they don't need to call a lot of unqualified leads, but they actually just get the appointments, and yeah, it's a big win. We work on a paper appointment basis, so no risk in there. It's guaranteed, and we are running Facebook, Google Ads. We are building all the systems for them. We are in the game for 1 year, and we have successfully 3 clients. Maybe don't mention 1 year, just say 3 clients. We work in USA, in the whole USA, and go like that. We don't like to go for quantity. We only onboard like 3 clients per month. We like to go deep and actually deliver an amazing results for them. And yeah, I want you to create a really nice prompt for Lovable, because I'm gonna copy and paste that prompt into Lovable, so I get a nice website. Use copywriting strategies as Sabri Subi would do it from King Kong, and add everything what you need in there, so it's gonna be high converting landing page. Let's try with something like this. Okay, we got a bunch of text. Let's click here. And ChatGPT will give us something, lovable prompt. So hero section, stop wasting time on dead leads, get qualified, ready to buy roofing appointments, deliver straight to your calendar, done for your lead gen booking system powered by AI. Okay. Subheading, bam, 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 CTA, key benefits, only pay AI powered, we do it all for you. Social proof, okay. Urgency, final design notes. Okay, let's try with this one. So you take the whole thing, you go into Lovable, and you just copy and paste it. And you click, let's go. So improvements on this. So I'm basically going with like the least effort thing for you to do. Improvements of this would be that you already saw some landing pages that you can feed it. And from this variant, we can be building still. So let's see what we get from here. And then I'm going to show you how to build on top of that and how to improve it. So I'm going to pause the video and unpause it when it's done. All right, I just heard the sound from Lovable, and let's see what we got here. All right, so you can see like the process on the left, what it's done. And then on the right, we can see the website, and already I like it on the first glance, right? You can click here, open in a preview tab. So stop wasting time on dead leads, get qualified, ready to buy roofing appointments, claim a free strategy. Cool. So this is not working right now. Only 3 new roofing clients. Okay. Then some intro, why roofing companies choose us. Bam, 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 bam. We get this even like followable call to action. We already helped 3 roofing companies fill their, okay, I wouldn't frame it like this, but still fine. Bam, bam, bam. A testimonial, fake one, but you can kick it out. We only work with 3 roofing companies per month, frequently asked questions. And then you got like this one. And let's say you like it or you don't like it. So you can take the full thing here with this extension. You can download it as an image. You can go back to ChatGPT. You can obviously upload it. And you can click here to give it some more prompts. So let's say you went through it, you like something, you don't like something. So I would maybe add here some like step-by-step how we are doing it, but still like it's fine. A video or something could be better, but yeah. Why roofing companies choose us? We already helped 3. This sounds weird. We only work with 3 roofing companies per month. Okay, this is nice. So this is my landing page so far. The colors, I don't like it. I would like to go with darker blue and lighter orange. And I would like to be it a little bit modern because we are using AI. I would like to have a video embedded on top because I'm gonna record one. I need a section for step by step, and I actually don't want to say that we only work with 3 clients because it loses credibility. So go over the copy and go over the page and think what would you add on it and how would you improve. So I think one step-by-step process and nailing down like why we are special and our special offer guarantee. Well, I mean, it's just the first that comes to my mind, but I want to show you that it can get pretty easy. And then we will get a prompt from ChatGPT. So we can copy the full thing here. And then we will copy and paste it just into Lovable. So you can go into the project and just copy and paste it here. And then Lovable will create a new page. Obviously, we will give it a little more thinking or stuff, but the goal here is to show you that you can actually do it really fast, get over this in a few hours. Even if you spend a day on this, it's worthwhile. And then from now, you just go and focus on the real things, booking appointments, sending cold DMs, cold calling, whatever, to actually make your business successful. So you see like the steps that are happening. Now let me create this. So it made like darker and lighter. It doesn't look better, but still you see how you can make changes. And then we already helped 3 roofing companies. It will probably change this. We only work with 3. It's right now creating this step-by-step process. And usually it takes at least a few minutes. So I will pause it and get back to you soon. All right, it took a few minutes. So yeah, here are the edits. Let's click here. Okay, this is going a little bit over this, but that's easy fixable. Here we have this why top roofing companies trust rooftops agency. Bam, 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 bam. How our payday final system works. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the new section. It looks beautiful, right? We help roofing companies nationwide, so it changed based on the prompt. 16 appointments per month, 70 average close rate, upfront cost 0, our rooftop results guarantee, bam, 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 you get results or you don't pay. It's strong, right? Area exclusivity guaranteed, we only work with 1 roofer per service area. This is amazing. And then FAQ. All right, so you get the idea how this is working. If you want to edit something, you click here, edit, and let's say you want maybe to edit here, whatever. You can take the full sections and say reorganize it, make it shorter or something. Like let's click here and make the text shorter, more to the point, and it will just change like the text in here. You can say like even to remove stuff or to change the colors or whatever for single sections, not like for the whole full project. And it usually takes like 16 seconds and make the benefit description shorter, more punchy. Let me update it. And right now we can take a look and it should make this all shorter. Yeah, here we go. And then this looks more neat. If you ask me, you can say like to remove these emojis if you don't like them and stuff like that. Okay. So next steps would be, let's say even you don't have a logo, you go back to ChatGPT, create an amazing simple logo with transparent background for me. So if you don't have a logo, ChatGPT can create you quickly one. So what I want you to get out of this is that you actually do this stuff fast, like the website, the logo. You can change that stuff later. You need to focus on booking appointments, on making sales and scaling your agency, not really making a beautiful website. Okay, hope you get it until now. And when you get the logo, the beauty of this is, okay, we have this version. You see like this one. I like the colors on this one more, to be honest, but like the flow and the stuff that you're saying is here a lot better. And when we got the logo, the beauty of Lovable is that you can just upload it here and tell it like insert this stuff here. So if you have some of your testimonials or images, you can select areas or give it prompts as you would to a designer to change stuff. Okay. So ChatGPT is building us a really nice rooftops agency logo. We save it. And then you can add it in here and you can say, add this logo on the header. Don't add new sections, just above the main headline as transparent logo. I mean, the colors are not the best, so you would need a white one because it will blend, but you get the idea. You can go tell ChatGPT, create me a white one, same, all, and then you can take the white one and actually place it in there. But this is how you're gonna play with this. So now it's like small, and you can tell it, okay, make it bigger, and you can like actually click edit here or on it, on the image, and like make it bigger, change this and this, so you get how it's working. Next steps would be, when you're fine with this one, is that you want to connect it. So there's a free version of Lovable. You can make this stuff, but if you want to actually have it live and connect the custom domain, you need to pay, I think, like $25 a month. So you have an option to pay these $25 and use this, or you can, like, when you pay it 1 month, you can actually export the whole code and host it on GoDaddy, on SiteGround, or whatever. This is cheaper if you don't want to be paying these $25. But still remember, like, if you're paying $25, you can build a lot more websites if you need, maybe for your clients or something. So you can do this. And then for the like claim my free strategy call, what I would suggest you that you take Calendly or GoHighLevel or something, and then you say like, you would take like the full embed code, and then you will say like, create a pop-up when they click on the main CTA, claim my free strategy, call anywhere on the page, and embed this code. And then basically it will create a pop-up that will be working really fine. When they click it like this one, it will open it and it will be embedded. Okay, so this is really handy and it's going pretty fast. Okay, so next step would be to create like your custom domain. So you can click here, custom domains. You can purchase it from here. I think it's the same pricing, or you just go purchase it on GoDaddy or somewhere, and then you click add existing domain and you type it in here and you connect it. And they're using this service where it's like with GoDaddy, you just go next, and it's connected. But yeah, then you would have it live as I have it in here. Like this is still on Lovable. I connected this and it's in there. So another step would be like if you want to personalize the favicon or change SEO metadata, you can say like you can take a little favicon image, let's say from this one that you just created, and you say like, okay, change the favicon, change this metadata above and stuff like that. But when you have it published and everything, you just click open preview and it will be on your website, like it's on here on your main domain, and you have it here. Like, let me see if it actually built. It's editing all of these still. So probably when we refresh here, it will soon work. And then, yeah, perfect. Let's refresh. Book call. Okay, it's still not working. Let's open it up. Yeah, sometimes it does it, but it actually doesn't do it. Okay, yeah, it does. Claim a free strategy call. On this call, you'll discover bam, 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 bam. Like this is too much, but still, like you can add stuff. You can just tell it embed this because we didn't give it anything to embed. And then next step would be when you finish this one, there's an option where you can go to settings and then you can like remix this whole project and you can create a thank you page. And you just give it a prompt, short page, or you talk with ChatGPT and get a new prompt for the landing page, for the thank you page. And then in Calendly or GoHighLevel, you will have this redirect to the thank you page. And you're done. Like you have your website, you have the funnel, you have the thank you page, you have the embed, they can book. And to be honest, like for a new roofing agency, if they get something like this, in the next videos, I'm going to show you how to create a VSL here as well. But even without a VSL, you're good. Like you have a nice website, you've done it in your brain, even though it's not so important. It's more important that you do the calls, that you do the outreach, that you do everything to book the meetings and actually move the needle forward and grow your agency. So when you pay, you can remove this one when you come here and hide Lovable badge. You click this one. And yeah, as I said, like long term, if you don't want to pay Lovable these 20-25 bucks to have it on, you can always like push it to GitHub, or I think there's an option to just get the HTML and then you go to your hosting provider, just upload all the files, connect the domain. And if you don't know how to do it, this guy always knows. Like just tell it, I'm gonna be doing this, give me step by step, and you're gonna be fine. Follow the steps and you're gonna have a really nice website in a few hours on it in a day. Like what's this video right now, like 20-30 minutes, and we already have the website, we already have the logo, a little bit of fine-tuning, a little bit of things, and you would actually get something like this that's really fine-tuned with a nice copy that you like. And it's really powerful. Like it wasn't ever the time in the history of mankind that you could really do it yourself this fast. Lovable is really a great tool, even for a lot of different stuff, but for this, it's amazing. So yeah, if you're an agency owner, join my free school group. I hope you like this video, and yeah, like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one.